Welcome back. In this video we're going to harvest honey, and let us get into the video.
Honey starts as a flower nectar which is collected by the bees, and it's naturally broken into simple sugars inside the hive. But before we get into the honey harvest, there are a couple of things we need, and one of them is smoking the bees. So we will need a smoker filled with burning charcoal and cow dung. After, when you squeeze the bellows, smoke will start coming out from the nozzle. The actual purpose of the smoke is to distract, not to kill the bees. Since the bees tend to seal the hive, you need a knife or a knife-like instrument to crack the hive open so that you can reach the honey. It's always advised not to take all the honey from the hive. Always take the excess or enough so that the bees don't starve. So how do we extract honey from the honeycomb? Today, we are using a local way to separate honey from the wax. The harvest is smashed in a container and later filtered to separate honey from the wax.
Let me have a test for you. By the way, these are some of the reasons why Uganda is called Pearl of Africa. If you haven't traveled to Uganda, I'm sure you're missing out a lot. Let me have another test for you. This is so good. Wow. I feel like I should dip my fingers into the jug and I start. By the way, I've done this video with a group of people called Bee Powers Enterprises Limited. I've shared their contact in the description. Find time, talk to them if you want to learn more about beekeeping and harvesting. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being part of our growing family. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit the subscription button. Hit the like button. Please share us out, comment. Always will reply to your comments. We'll give you feedback. I think I should be out of here.